We are starting our 4th week into business law this week. You know, because of the calendar, that you're going to be completing Unit 2. 201 and 202 are due by next Monday. That next week you'll be taking your 6 weeks test to finish up the first 6 weeks. It's real easy to get behind an online class, so make sure you're utilizing that calendar, my announcements page, and your grade book to see assignments you may have missed or that you need to make up or to get caught up. In Unit 2, we're talking about contract law. There's quite a bit of assignments in there. You can see here what you've got. Several assignments. So make sure you plan adequately this week to get those assignments done. If you have any issues, please contact me through the Remind app, through Haiku, through email, however you want to. I can't help you if I don't know that you need my help. So please keep in touch with me and let me know if you get behind. There's not as many assignments in 2.02, mainly 201 that has the most assignments. 202, you do have to read your textbook. There's 3 assignments and a quiz. So just make sure that you are allocating the right amount of time for Unit 2 this week. And again, if you have any problems, please let me know and I'll be glad to help you.